Hello all. This video is a photo collection of our family vacation in Switzerland. This is the dream destination for almost everyone. It is a mountainous Central European country home to numerous lakes, villages and high peaks of Alps. Banking and finance are key industries, and as all know, Swiss watches and Swiss chocolates are world renowned. Bollywood has long-standing love affair with Switzerland. Switzerland and its mountain scenery are hugely popular in India, mainly because of the Bollywood blockbuster filmed there. Switzerland was a favorite shooting destination for the late filmmaker Yash Chopra. On his 85th birth anniversary, a statue of this renowned Indian filmmaker was unveiled in Interlaken in May 2016. Many of Chopra's films featured Switzerland as a backdrop, and he is credited with boosting the popularity of the Alpine nation among Indian tourists. For the past many years, we as family set ourselves in distant lands to give us an experience that we will never forget. Thanks to our parents who started this legacy, and now I'm sure that the greatest legacy we can leave our children are happy memories. I hope these travel videos about travel and family convince you to have an adventure together. Because sometimes you will never know the value of a moment until it becomes a memory. Worth to visit is Grindelwald, a village in Switzerland's Bernese Alps. It has very beautiful and breathtaking view on the top of the mountain. There are many activities like cliff edge walk, paragliding, and for sure Grindelwald is a winter paradise. The onset of winter turns this Swiss village into an offbeat resort town that caters to winter sport enthusiasts that flock to the Switzerland's mountains. We visited Interlaken, which is worth visiting for one day. You can easily stroll it within 1 hour. It is located between two lakes, hence is the name. Going up in a cable car to the top of the mountain to having a beautiful view over the city and both lakes cannot be described in words. We boarded a flight to Zurich from India. Zurich is an upmarket banking city and the financial capital of Switzerland. It therefore comes as no surprise that it's often labeled as the most expensive city in the world. Zurich is famous for luxurious lifestyle, high-end shopping, variety of cheese and fancy chocolates. Enjoyed our stay in this beautiful Switzerland. We like to visit again as we feel we could not do justice to the amazingly beautiful country. Okay, let me tell you all some fun facts about Swiss cheese that you may not have known. There are more than 450 varieties of Swiss cheese, and nearly half the milk produced in Switzerland is turned into cheese. Not only cheese, the Swiss eat more chocolates as compared to any other country. Switzerland produces the most chocolate in the world. And now talking about some other facts, that is that the largest city in Switzerland is Zurich. Nescafe, the world's first instant coffee, was invented in Switzerland. Did you know that? Not only this, but Charlie Chaplin spent the last 25 years of his life in Switzerland. Hey, hey, hey! Just wait, it's not yet over. it's no stopping when it comes to our adventure. And since you are a part of it, do enjoy. And I know that you will be enjoying the video. So stay tuned because it's yet not over. Switzerland's public transport network is safe and efficient. Trains, trams, buses, and boats cover the entire country. There are so many extensive cycling routes as well. Well, I hope you can see the tracks on the road. Look at these. These tracks are nothing but tracks which are used by trams. There are 171.9 kilometers of track, equating to a network length of 72.9 kilometers and a total route length of 118.7 kilometers. Well, trams make an important contribution to public transport in the city of Zurich, Switzerland. We feel blessed to have such family vacations. Blessed are the curious, for they shall have adventures. Bye bye till we meet again on yet another fun video.